Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I have a new box to show on my channel. This has been a box that I want to say at least 3 or 4 of you guys had recommended that I show on my channel because I said I love makeup, like all makeup heavy subscription boxes, and you guys were like, you should try this box. So here I am trying it out for the first time on my channel. I'm excited to see what I got in here. If you guys want to know what I got in my EYESCREAM Beauty Box, then keep on watching. So as always, before I get into my boxes, I like to take the time to introduce myself to anyone new to my channel. So welcome, my name is Aisha. I love makeup. I think a lot of you guys can all admit that you're guilty of that as well. Like you're like a makeup junkie. I am a die-hard makeup junkie, product junkie. I love trying new stuff. Whether it's hair stuff or makeup, skincare, yes, I do like skincare, but not like when I have a whole bunch at one time. But I like pretty much just products, trying new products, which is why I fell in love with makeup subscription boxes, because you get to try out all different types of beauty products for like half the price at a very good, reasonable deal. So that's why I love these type of boxes. But I also do makeup hauls and I do makeup mystery unboxings on my channel as well. So if these are things that you like to watch, you enjoy watching, I know I enjoy watching other people's unboxings, other people's makeup hauls, and so forth. If you like stuff like that, then I would say subscribe to my channel and become a part of my YouTube family. And yeah, that's it. We're gonna get right into this box. So the box that I got in the mail, it looks like it's like kind of like marble, like a wannabe like marble print type of a thing. So that's what the box looks like. It doesn't say anything about like EYESCREAM Beauty Box. It says it on the actual like the top part here, but it doesn't really say like BoxyCharm will say BoxyCharm across the box, or Glossy Box will say Glossy Box. It doesn't really say that on their boxes. It's just like a generic little box, I guess. So when we open it up, I took all the squigglies out of the box just because it gets messy, but I didn't really look at anything. I just took the squigglies out. So it did come with squigglies. This is you guys' sneak peek. This is a monthly subscription box, and you could pick, I think there was like 2 palettes I got to choose from. So rather than that, you can pick just one thing. And then what I like about this box is it's supposed to be a all makeup heavy box. So I'm like, let me give it out for I'll try it out for a change, because since everybody's been mentioning that I should try it out. So we're gonna see what I got and see if it was worth the money. Okay, so let me quickly tell you a little bit about the box. So they have 2 different types of subscriptions. You could do the box, which is what I have. It's $25 a month, or you can do what they call a monthly bag, which they kind of look like how Ipsy has like the little pink little bags, same type of concept. I didn't want to get the bag in the box just because I didn't know if I was going to like it. This is my first time subscribing to this company, so I just got the $25 box. If I love it, then eventually maybe I'll do the bag as well for you guys. If you guys also give me good feedback that you like this box, and I'll do both of them. It says that we include 5 to 7 items in our box every month and 3 to 5 in our beauty bags. You will receive a mix of tools, makeup, and skincare. We also put a palette in every box. So I love this about this box because I feel like palettes are my favorite thing in subscription boxes. I feel like when I get a new palette, like it's so exciting because I love color. I love doing shadow. I think that's like my favorite part to do when I do my makeup is the shadow, especially with all that's going on where we have to wear masks. I love that I can still always play up my eyes. So I've been really playing up my eyes every day. So the palettes is fun to have. But it looks like I didn't get any skincare in this box. The thing did say that you could get skincare, but I don't think I got anything skincare in this box, which I'm not gonna complain about. But let's see what we got here. So we got a little thank you card, and then it tells you what you got in your box. It says Estate Cosmetics Palette Choice. So that was my choice here. I think it was like a pink one and like a brownish one. I didn't think like the pinky one. I love pink, don't get me wrong, but like powdery pinks don't look good on darker skin tone. It depends on like the undertone, because I definitely do wear pink shadow. But like that type of pink palette, I don't think would have went good with my skin tone. So I chose the brown one because browns look better with my skin tone. So, and I just wanted to play it safe because I didn't want to get a palette that I wasn't going to use. But this is from a brand called Estate. The name of the palette is called Sugar Daddy, and it's cool. It has like a whole bunch of receipts all over the packaging, like all over the box. It says it's a pigment palette. So let's see here. That's like a little sleeve. There is a mirror. These are big. These are eyeshadows? They're so big. Wow, it looks kind of like blush because it's really, really big compared to like a standard eyeshadow palette. They're really, 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 really big. So can't wait to try this out. It's very big. There's a mirror in the back here, but you guys don't need to see that. You guys, I'm sure you guys know what a mirror looks like. But yes, I love the earth tones and I definitely will wear this. So I'm glad I chose this rather than the pink one. That was my first item. It says this palette retails for $30. Which is not bad because the whole box was $25. So you already got the price of the box with that one item. The next thing I got is a lip pencil from Crown Brushes. I didn't even know they had lip pencils. I thought it was just all brushes. Silly of me, but this is like a red pencil, which I wear a lot of reds in the winter time, so I definitely will get use out of this. That pencil retails for $6. The next thing I got is from Basic Beauty. It's a lip gloss. Ooh, it's a pretty nude. I love this. I could do it with like a brown lip liner and a little nude in the middle. Love this. I definitely will wear this. The next thing I got is from, it says Soul Susan Cosmetics. Also, I'll mention this subscription box is like pretty much indie brands for the most part. It says it's a light shifting highlighting cream. So let's see. I love the shagadelic packaging here. So this is a highlighter. It looks like a gold highlighter. I'll try it. I don't know if it's gonna work for my skin tone, but if not, I could always throw this in my kit for when I do my side gigs. And then I got this contour palette. It says pressed powder. I love, a lot of people like using like the stick contour or like liquid contour. I guess I'm maybe old school. I love using a powder contours. I feel like you have more control like with the powders, and it's easy to blend. For me at least, in my personal preference, I feel like it's easier to blend out with powder as opposed to like stick. I feel like that can go wrong quick. But let's see how the palette looks. Hopefully it's dark enough that I can use it for my skin tone. Okay, so this is from the brand Kaylin. Oh boy, this is super light, like super light. Definitely probably won't be able to wear this palette. Maybe like the yellow color for under my eye, but look how light this palette is. That's like the only like bummer, like when you do get like skincare, like I feel like it doesn't really, it does matter like your skin type if you're oily or dry and so forth, but like you have more chances of being able to wear, like most people can wear like an eye cream or like a cleanser, but like a palette that's too light for you, you probably won't be able to use. So I don't know if I want to keep this for my kit or if I want to give this away. I don't know, I have to decide, but that was the last item I got. So overall, I am happy with this box. I liked everything. I mean, had I been lighter, this would have been perfect and I would have liked this too, but this is definitely too light for me. So I like when sometimes they do surveys. That would be my feedback for this subscription company. I know they're like really small, they're not big like with BoxyCharm or Ipsy and so forth. They're still like one of the newer subscription boxes, but just like how they gave us a choice of like the eyeshadow palette, it would have probably been nice, like for something like this, we have to have like a light one and a dark one, because then it's not fair when like you're getting a whole palette. How much was this palette? It says this palette was $55 and I can't even really use it. But like it would have been nice to have something for my skin tone. So that would be, I always get feedback. Who knows if, you know, these subscription boxes watch my channel, but I always like to give feedback because that's how we become better, right? Getting feedback. So that would be my feedback, was this probably should have been something where there was 2 shades. So that way it's fair, because it does, you want everybody to be able to enjoy the stuff that they get. That's just my opinion, and my opinion only. Do not come for your girl. Alright, so that's it. What do you guys think about my EYESCREAM Beauty Box for the month of November? Do you guys, any of you guys subscribe to EYESCREAM Beauty Box? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm curious to see what were your thoughts on this box. Let me know, and as always, like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. If you haven't already, become a part of my YouTube family. I know you want to. I mean, come on. Join the crew. Join my family. And that's it. I'll see you guys all in my next unboxing. Bye!